We're here to talk about the tax season and the predators that come along with tax season. Cuyahoga County is launching its Fighting Tax Predator website to help residents not become victims of fraud. The website is www.cuyahogacounty.us/stop tax scams. And the scams that we see during this time of year are the phishing scams, the emails, the text messages, the telephone calls that you will receive, and surprisingly, they're from the IRS or the Treasury Department, telling you that you have money available or that you had a mistake on your taxes. The IRS does not send you emails. The IRS does not pick up the phone and call you. What you need to be aware of are these are scams. Pay close attention during tax season time. There are other types of scams that you see, the tax relief services. These are the ones that promise you that we can resolve all the issues that you have with the IRS, and it's going to just cost you a little money up front. Sometimes these companies never provide the service after you pay, so do your due diligence and research the company before going with them. We have tax rebate scams and return preparer fraud. These are ones where you go to a tax place and you give them your W-2 form, and they want to up the amount of money that you're claiming or deductions. So these are people who are falsifying what's going on in the tax record that you're doing. So use care. By calling United Way 211, you can find many of the tax assistance programs that are available here. In addition is the government grants ones. These are ones where they call you, again, text, email you, but this time, because you were such a great taxpayer, we're going to give you $7,000. And with us today is a consumer who received such a call. Antonio, I'm going to have him tell you a little about what happened to him during the call.
It was an interesting Monday night at my studio. I was working late, and basically I got a call from a man who was claiming that he was from the federal government Health and Human Resources in Washington, D.C., which was very, very interesting to me because he didn't call from an unknown number or a private number or a block number. He basically called from a 202 area code number, which is Washington, D.C. So I Googled the number, and it actually, the office that he was calling from actually did come up as the right number. So obviously they took a lot of care to prepare this particular scam. I just opened a business last year, so pretty much anybody that's offering you free money, I think you're going to be pretty tempted. And out of morbid curiosity, I just started asking questions and things like that. So I think anybody really, regardless of your station in life, you're going to be some type of temptation there. You know, right there was a little bit of a red flag. I get online, I start Googling a lot of different local organizations, and that's how I got in contact with Cynthia. Also, you can report different websites. So you can report the number on different websites, reporting the number saying that, you know, this is a phishing number or a scamming number, and the actual other warnings that other people got actually pops up. So it's very, very interesting. I kept the conversation going to ask him questions to see how far he would take it. Basically, what he wanted me to do was, I even asked him straight out, should I give you my social security number, my bank account information? How does this work? I would love $7,000. And he said, no, you're going to go to a CVS or a Rite Aid and get a Green Dot Money Pack card. And you're going to activate the card and then give us the number, and we will load $7,000 onto the card. So I said, well, is this like a $3, $4 activation fee? He says, no, you have to activate it with $300. So, if he calls and scams a good 10, 15, 20 people, $300 adds up. So obviously, it was very well thought out, very well planned.
Being careful when you receive calls and knowing your red flags. When someone's asking for information, someone's guaranteeing you money. These are red flags. And for grants, when we're talking government grants, it is an application process. There's no fee to do the application process. And you have to have a cause to actually get the government grant. So this tax season is a great time to get your returns, to get some money in our pockets. What we want to do is make sure your money stays here in the community. Contact the Cuyahoga County Department of Consumer Affairs if you receive such calls, or if you have any problems with companies or businesses that you're not sure of. We will do the research for you. You can contact us at 216-443-7010 or by going to the Cuyahoga County website, www.cuyahogacounty.us. Under the service directory, go under A, B, C, and you'll find us under Consumer Affairs.